Welcome to a day with Mandarin Fireworks quality inspectors. Behind every brilliant fireworks display, it all starts from this morning. Prepare the tools early in the morning and set off for the warehouse. Arriving at the fireworks warehouse, verify product information. Measure product weight. Check the appearance of the product. Product effect inspection. The effect is very good. Let's test the fireworks products below. Fireworks dosage detection. Millimeter level structural deviations may rewrite the trajectory of blooming. Test the height and loudness of fireworks. Test the effect of fireworks at night.
Mandarin Fireworks.